Happy 4th of July from the most magical place on earth. Today we're celebrating all things classically American right here at Magic Kingdom. From juicy hot dogs at Casey's Corner to the inspiring Hall of Presidents, and from sweet treats in Liberty Square to that unforgettable fireworks finale, we're embracing the red, white, and Disney blue. So grab a sparkler or a corn dog and come along as we discover the heart of America through the lens of Disney magic.
Hello, we are the Dapper Dans. On behalf of our Main Street Philharmonic, our Magic Kingdom Security Color Guard, and our Main Street operations, we are pleased and proud to welcome you to today's flag retreat ceremony here in Town Square.
There's really nothing more American than a hot dog with chili and cheese at Casey's Corner.
Mm-hmm.
The hot dog we got's the all-beef footlong, and it is like one of the best hot dogs I've ever had. It's got a crackly skin, and it's so juicy when you bite into it, and then you can see that the chili is super meaty and very delicious, not spicy at all, which is nice if you have a little one that might want chili cheese dogs too. That's really good.
Yeah. Yeah, the bottom of this bun is totally
ripped open.
It's really good.
So the hot dog came out and I had chili cheese bun.
If chili cheese bun affects you for more than 2 hours, see your local doctor. It's very important. Very important.
What really says America better than dipping a fried object into a vat of cheese?
It's just good warm cheese.
Yeah, it's a pretty good cheese, that's for sure. Delicious. So the last time I rode Dumbo was like decades ago, right? And it used to be in a different part of Fantasyland, and now they've dedicated this like specific Storybook Circus area to kind of everything circusy. But one of the things that I found really cool about this setup with Dumbo is there are actually 2 different Dumbo rides. They're the exact same, but one is exclusively for the Lightning Lane people, and one is for standby.
So we were going to ride Dumbo, but weather, lightning, thunder, no. So we're going to head over and get a turkey leg, because what says America more than what almost was the national bird?
Okay, so we just told you we were going to get a turkey leg, right? They're closed. and they don't open till tomorrow. So, also no turkey leg.
Since we apparently can't do anything we wanted to do in Fantasyland, we stopped into Big Top Souvenirs to grab some waters. This is one of Sarah's favorite themed shops just because it's so over the top with theming, but it's also the place where you can find all sorts of sweets and apparently a bunch of Cars merch for some reason. So for July 4th, they have a DJ set up in front of the castle, which I'm not surprised by that because it's a special occasion. What I'm surprised by is that there's like club level Disney music going on. Like I just listened to an EDM version of Into the Unknown from Frozen, which is like interesting. I'm surprised that Disney is leaning into that. Let's put it that way. We stopped into Sleepy Hollow to get a refreshment.
So this is the red, white, and blue funnel cake. It's got vanilla ice cream on it, and sprinkles, and strawberries, and blueberries. I will say, I love the funnel cake when it has the powdered sugar all on top. And because they added ice cream, they didn't do the powdered sugar, but it's still really good.
I think powdered sugar is the better way to go on this.
Yeah.
It's hard to improve on funnel cake. Funnel
Very
cake is,
true.
like classic funnel cake is great. It doesn't really get much better than that.
Yep.
We've also been joined by some Disney ducks.
One of our favorite things to get in the park is Sleepy Dog's corn dog. Sleepy Hollow's corn dog. The crust is delicious. It's crunchy. It's softer on the inside. The hot dog is very thick, but the hot dog is warm on the inside and juicy still. It's a really good corn dog.
This corn dog is the quintessential fair food corn dog.
Mm-hmm.
This is exactly what you want. This is great. 10 out of 10. I will always get this. Always. One of my favorites. The other thing I will say is these are delicious. But the corn dog is so big, I don't need these.
And there's not an option to get just the corn dog without the chips.
Which I think Disney is missing out on. Kind of like the turkey leg. Like, just give me a freestanding corn dog.
Yeah, I agree.
We were going to go up to Main Street and film up there, but Main Street is just a little crowded.
That whole area has been like sardine
Just
packed since like 8 o'clock.
Yeah. out this little Rice Krispie treat. It's got M&Ms all across it, but we thought we'd give it a try.
That is a sugar bomb. So, like, maybe not for the kids this late at night.
Personal opinion, I think the normal Rice Krispie treat at Magic Kingdom tastes kind of processed, but this with the M&Ms totally cancels that out, and it's really delicious. 10 out of 10, I'd get that. All right, everybody. Well, today was awesome.
It was so much fun.
Absolutely an insane party at Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
I would highly recommend coming on July 4th. It felt really great to be here because, like, security is tight. Mm-hmm. The party is still bumping.
It was just a really fun way to spend the 4th of July. Thank you for joining us, and we hope that you enjoyed everything that we did.
Absolutely.
And we're excited for you to stick around for the next one.
Subscribe to our channel. Stick around. We've got other videos coming out. If you're interested, we do have a Patreon. Thank you to our Patreon members and to everybody who supports us by watching the channel. There's plenty more magic to explore, but for now, see you real soon.